Thanks for joining us tonight. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reports that while unemployment remains historically low, hiring has slowed nationwide. Marshawn Gunn is here to compare those statistics to what we've seen here in the Quad Cities. Good evening, Marshawn.
Good evening, John. Unemployment in the Quad Cities is at 5.1%. That's with the 200 new jobs the Bureau of Labor Statistics says we added from June to July. And while other parts of the country worry about a slowdown in hiring, the Quad Cities Chamber of Commerce says there's still a lot of opportunity locally.
Before the COVID-19 pandemic, unemployment levels were at the lowest they had been in the decade.
We're getting close to that level again, but it remains one of the challenges that we have to get labor force back to that pre-pandemic level.
There's many reasons behind that challenge, mainly the lack of people returning to the labor force.
It's going to take the right combination of jobs and opportunities for those individuals to re-enter the labor market.
A combination of jobs that Bill Pauley says the Quad Cities area has available.
Service economy, particularly in healthcare and in education, both of those areas have been trending up.
The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics says that between July 2024 to July 2025, the Quad Cities area has gained 500 new jobs in education and health services, an increase of 3.8%. It's just slightly higher than the national numbers, with a 3.2% increase in the same time.
If it weren't for the healthcare economy, the total jobs would have been down last month.
The reason for the rise in health and education jobs is because they're not as tied to economic conditions as other jobs.
It's more tied to demographics, and just the fact that the population is aging means that we will need more of those services.
The Chamber says there's more openings than just health services and education.
There are opportunities for people who want to reskill.
But it's all about finding the right area of work for the right person.
In areas where there's high demand, people are hiring.
In Davenport, Marshawn Gunn, WQAD News 8.